Going to figure out how to do your media and marketing for your business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a free tool, Canva, to create your marketing and media assets. Canva is a simple to use graphic design tool that allows you to create all types of designs. You can create presentations, posters, most important, um, social media asset. You can, if you're not quite sure what they need to look like, you can create a new version and then use these templates. They use a bunch of templates so you don't start from scratch. Here you've got social media templates from popular options like YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and it shows you different designs, as well as having some AI support as well. You can have an editor for your photos, you can create videos, use documents and websites. Some of the things aren't free, like for branding and some of the other tools. You'll see these little crowns that mean those are paid options, but there's so much you can do here inside of Canva that you really don't need anything but a free version. They've got lots of, when you get started, you just click create here and you see, you can choose from the menu over here, different options. Let's say you want to create a content plan for your social media. They've got different versions of content calendars. You can add events, but one of the best ways to use it is you can post your content directly from Canva. For many people, that's a time saver, and it limits all the separate login that they're going to have to be using. So as you can see, you can do all these other things. You can invite people to share the document. Like for projects, once you create a file, you can categorize it. You can keep it by design. You can make folders. Like if you're working on designs with clients, you can create different folders to separate it. You can save things as favorites. You can even buy templates from others that maybe, create a brand package of templates. Like I actually bought some when I was using a different CRM. They had landing page templates, a package of templates. You could buy them and upload them to the folder, and then you just go through and use them. It separates everything by images, videos, the different versions you use, templates over here, brand, Canva AI, and just makes it super simple to use. Again, this is a free tool. It's pretty simple to use and it's available offline, which is something new. And then you can have favorites. You can have documents that are shared with others. You can have your home that shows you, folders you created, your most recent files. You can create a website. Now, of course, it may look a bit different and if you're going to create something totally different that I'm not interested in looking at. So, photo editor. And since they've added the AI, there's so many simpler options for creating a document. Like when you want to look for a presentation, there's lots of templates. But if you want to create something, but oh my God, um, yeah, you see these different choices. You don't have to use the templates. You can actually create things from scratch yourself. It's just for people they don't consider themselves graphic designers or have that skill set and they don't want to overwhelm themselves. They usually just pick up a template and go from there. So there's lots of templates to choose from here. You can see for whatever you're doing in your business, there are templates, there are logos, videos, posts, collages, whatever you're going to need, they have a version available and it makes it super simple to use. So Canva, free version for you. to use for your marketing and media assets in your business. If you found this video helpful, please like or subscribe to get more tips and resources for building and growing your business. See you in the next video.